Alrighty everyone, so today for What's New Wednesday, I've got this Biovene charcoal magnet mask. So recharge, purify, revitalize, magnetic rejuvenation. So I got this mask from the company and I'm going to go ahead and try it out first time for you guys and see how it is. So here's the box. This is the product. And it talks a little bit about it on the side and how to use it. So use a spatula to spread a thin layer over cleansed face, avoiding the eye area, and leave on for 10 minutes. Wrap the magnet with the included cover and run it near the surface of your skin. You don't need the magnet to touch your skin until the mask has been completely removed. Massage remaining product to infuse ingredients into the skin. Follow with your favorite moisturizer. Use twice a week. So when I massage it, it's infused with iron, vitamin E, and lavender oil, and a lot more. So that'll help make my skin all beautiful and pretty and rejuvenated. So, a little bit about this. The Biovene, I'm very sorry if I'm mispronouncing this, but the magnet mask is an innovative, natural, anti-aging, rejuvenating face mask consisting of iron magnetic particles, activated charcoal, and a blend of the most precious oils nature has to offer for a smooth, firm, and radiant complexion. The iron particles work together with the activated charcoal to draw out impurities using magnetic currents as you hover the included magnet as you hover the included magnet over your face in order to remove the mask. Massage your face with the remaining oils, vitamins, and minerals to nourish, moisturize, and tighten for youthful looking skin. Going into the box. Here are the cloths that it comes with that you cover the magnet. So it comes with these little cloths to cover the magnet to pull off the product and keep it off of the magnet and then throw it away. As you guys can see, we've got the spatula, the magnet, and the product. It's super cute. It's heavy, it's glass, it's got a lot of product in it. I absolutely love how gorgeous and sleek this container is. It feels nice. Packaging, spot on. Seriously, I freaking love this thing. Here's what it looks like on the inside. So you've got the magnetic mask in there. And then I'm going to take the spatula and scraping it off, as you guys can see there. But I'm just going to put a thin layer. I don't know. This is a lot of product. Okay. Making sure to avoid the eye area. It smells really good. It did say it was lavender oil. There we go. Lavender. I smell lavender. So, I hope I'm doing this right. I have no idea. It's kind of hard with the spatula because it doesn't really go around the contours of the face nicely. It's kind of rough. Right now, Jack is down for a nap. I've figured out that he's going to cry no matter what, getting him to nap. So I am now just putting him down in his crib and letting him cry it out. He only cries for about 10 to 13 minutes, and then he gives up and passes out. So I am just putting him in his crib. I'm no longer going to soothe him to sleep, and he'll just fall asleep on his own and do his own thing. So far it's been working. Same with the nights. I've been doing sleep training and he's only been getting up twice throughout the night, which is really nice. So he goes to bed at about 8, wakes up at 2, and then he wakes up again at 6, and then he's up for the day at 8 o'clock. So not bad at all. I think it's actually pretty good. But he has his 3 naps during the day, and it's been going really well. I've also introduced pureed food. So if you guys don't follow my vlog channel, you better go over there and follow my vlog channel, because over there I introduce him to sweet potato for the first time, and it's freaking adorable. So head on over to Reasons to Smile if you want to watch behind the scenes of my life and Jack and how everything's been going. Now that I have the mask completely on, I'm going to go ahead and let it sit for the 10 minutes that it says for it to sit on. And I'm just going to go and kick my feet up and relax a little bit and take in this quiet time while Jack's napping. I will see you in 10 minutes. Alrighty, so it has been 10 minutes. If you hear Jack crying in the background, he just woke up. But it is not time for him to wake up, so I just went to comfort him, and he is upset that I left the room and didn't take him with me. So if you guys end up hearing him crying, yeah, that's why. I'm not ignoring him. Well, I'm kind of ignoring him because he needs to nap. He only napped for like not even 10 minutes. So don't want an overtired baby. So here I took the cloth. As you guys can see, I've got the magnet, and I'm just going to put it over top of the magnet and start taking the mask off. Ah! It feels really weird. Can you guys see it pulling off of my skin? That is super weird. Look at this. So you have to get it pretty close to the skin for it to pull the product off. It definitely feels weird coming off of the skin. But nothing too crazy. I'm just gonna try to get the last little bits, because it says that I'm supposed to like massage the oils into my face after, so I don't really want any of the mask left on it. I'm just going to massage the oils into my skin now. It definitely feels slimy, like I'm rubbing oil into my skin, which I'm not too fond of. I don't really like oils, but because I got like sensitive acne prone skin, so my skin isn't always the greatest when it comes to oils, but my face does feel pretty nice. It looks nice, like it looks smooth and clean, if that makes sense, but I do have like a couple little pimples here, so it's not the greatest situation going on in my face right now, but I do like this mask. It's very fun to do, that's for sure. The whole like magnet thing and pulling it off the face, it's very weird but cool feeling, so I do like that. It says to use it like 1 to 2 times a week, so we shall see how this first round goes, and so we'll see how this first round goes, if I end up breaking out or if my skin actually likes it. But I'm gonna go ahead and put some moisturizer on my face now, because that's what it says to do. It doesn't say to wash it, just says to massage in the oils and then follow with your normal moisturizer. So that is the complete look. Well, not. So that is the complete review of this Biovene charcoal magnetic face mask. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, share, favorite, and subscribe to my channel to watch more of moi, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any future uploads. Don't forget to check the description bar down below for direct links to this product, and other products that I use. And until next time, stay beautiful, okay guys? Bye.